In the last video, we have discussed about the ascending triangle chart, which is look like this one, and the ascending triangle represent the upside potential in the market. Now, we are going to discuss about the descending triangle chart. Now, this descending triangle price action represent the downside moment in the market. How? Let's see the example. Suppose if you have the support area here, or let's say support here. Now what's happening is selling start. You need to draw one trend line, just like we are showing in this image. If market is testing this support multiple times, and if it gives a breakout, then high chances that market sentiment will convert into negative, and it's the sign of bearishness. Now, how to trade with this type of price action? What you need to do is, after the breakout, just wait for retest. Like for example, if this is the trend line, this is the support line. What will happen is, after the breakout, just wait for retest, and after the retest breakout, enter here, put stop loss below here, or above here. Now if you see this example, where my entry point, if market break this, I will not enter here, even because I'm not comfortable to enter here as per my discipline. What I will do, I will check one, retest it, and if market again breaking the retest breakout, I will make position here. Yes, it's a late position. We can say that it's a late position, but it's very safe position. Either enter at this swing breakout, unless you have the confidence that if market break this, it will fall more, then only enter here. Else, without confidence, always wait for swing breakout and then only enter. Yes, there is another method to enter at this swing. How to measure? Using, there is one indicator called as Fibonacci retracement, which we are covering in the indicator, and which we are designed a separate section for Fibonacci retracement, and how to use Fibonacci retracement to enter at the retest, or how we get to know that this this support is perfect one or not, or the breakout is good one or not. That's a different case, but this is the more than enough to trade for now. After the breakout, wait for retest and then only enter. That's the safe entry using descending triangle chart. Hope you understand the descending triangle chart. Now let's take a live example from the market. Here I already shortlisted, or I already find out this resistance or this support and trend line. In my Telegram channel, I'm always updating this type of pattern in the advance, and the channel name is @free bank nifty learning, which is specially designed for Indian stock market, which I am on daily basis I am sharing my update. So in that group you will get to know that one before. Like, I will first draw this one, and after breaking out I will draw this one. So if you look at this example, let's take this example. If you check, this is my support area, this is my support area. What will happen? Market taking support, moving upside, taking support, moving upside. Now market need to break downside, but what happened is market break on downside? No. As I am telling earlier as well, there are total two cases. If market breaking downside, and in this case also same like ascending, market will break this upside, market will break the trend line and then make an entry. But in this case, market broke on the upside, and I found this example very quickly, so I am suggesting go to this example. If market breaking this one, again taking retest and again breaking this one, so here I will make an entry. See, and just a minute, I will zoom out. See, I draw the trend line. What happened is, first time market broke this one, right? But market again fall, not able to sustain. But as per our rule, when to make an entry, if market after breaking this, market takes support here, retest here, and on successful breakout we can make a enter here. But what happened is, market breaking this one or not after taking retest? No, because retest got failed and market again fall. So suppose again if market break this trend line, either you can enter at this position because it's already broken, or after again breakout, let's wait for fresh retest. After fresh retest, you can enter at retest breakout, which is your entry point must be here. Entry point must be here, and your initial stop loss is last swing, which is the last swing is here, and which is below the trend line, which is here. Your stop loss is here. And what is my target? If I zoom out little bit, my target is based on the swings which is created by trend line. Now as per this chart, my first target is this one, but I entered at this one, so my first target is this swing. Which is 38,500, and I entered at 38,350, almost 350 levels. So if you check, after the retest, I got the enough money. Otherwise, what will happen is without retest, if you have entered at the breakout and if you have entered at this candlestick, what will happen is market will got reverse and your stop loss may hit. So for increasing our winning ratio, we need to wait for retest and the breakout. Now again same question arises, which time frame it will work? Within 1 minute, 5 minutes, we need to wait for the retest, but within the 10 minutes we need to check the candle open and close. Let me show you. Within 1 minute I already discussed. If I click on 5 minutes, let me find out pattern again which I marked. See here, if you check, what happened is within 5 minutes, if you check it here, I got one breakout. Market took support here, go upside, took support here, go upside, and this time market broken, retest and move upside. I will make entry here. My target, at least first target is, my first target at this position, target, right? So entry here, and I will put stop loss at least here within the 5 minutes. Now let's switch to the 10 minute. Just a minute. 10 minutes. Now within 10 minutes, how to enter? As I discussed earlier, what we need to do is within 10 minutes we need to wait for the candle to close. Let me remove this one. Let me remove this line. Sorry for the delay. I'm extremely sorry for the delay. Now within the 10 minutes, what we need to do is, see, the candle closed here, right? The candle closed here, and the candle which is crossing this one, I need to make an entry at this position within a 10 minutes, and I will put stop loss below this line here. Now if you check, within 10 minutes also retest happened and market move upside, but within 10 minutes, if candle close this one, as a step side, what I will do, I will just check this swing as well, because from this one market reversed, right? I am gaining. As a beginner, what I am doing when I was learning this descending triangle chart, I am making the entry at this position, at this candle. But after onwards, I got to know that it's better to enter at this breakout. So what I did is, the last swing I entered at this breakout, put it stop loss at this swing, and I got the enough rally here. The winning, as per my experience and practice, my winning ratio got increasing day by day. Same thing will happen with you. You just need to take some time, observe the market. Now your homework is observe the market, and let me know in the comment section. Hope you got my point, and hope you understand the descending triangle pattern in the two ways in the sense, breakout at the upside and breakout at the downside. Hope you got my point. Let's analyze market by yourself and let me know if you have any confusion. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.